How to replace your old router with a Cisco ISR43-1/ISR431/ISR4431/ISR4 Drama Migration Guide. Replacing an old branch router doesn't need drama. Here's the clean cutover to Cisco ISR43-1/4331/1000/431. Step 1. Discover, export the legacy config and map 1 LAN, routing, VPN, NAT, COS, logging, and hardware. Step 2. Pick the model for your scale: 4321 small, 4331 growing, 4431 large branch, 4461 campus edge. Step 3. Pre-stage and lab licenses, base config, security, routing, VPN, QoS, then test. Step 4. Choose the cutover parallel HSRP, VRRP, routing convergence, or physical swap. Validate routes, NAT, VPN, COS, and monitoring. Keep a rollback plan. Harden SSH, AAA, SNMPv3. Result: minimal downtime, predictable migration, future-ready edge.